Congratulations on purchasing a Tru-Fit display. Here are all the pieces that come with your display. The first thing you're going to do is empty the case. The rolling case has 4 green latches that you must unlock. Once open, unload the contents and roll the case out of the way. Next, you'll want to empty the drawstring nylon bags that hold the frame. And the plastic bag that holds the graphic. Now you're going to assemble the aluminum tubes. You can see how you'll need to depress the push pin in order to attach the tubes. Push one part into the other until the pin locks into place. Do this until all the tubes are assembled. You'll see some tubes have a bungee cord inside that keep the tubes together. It's time to build the frame. Using the numbered stickers, attach the tubes so the numbers match up. Again, you'll have to depress the button in order to push one tube into the other. There's a thinner stabilizer bar you need to attach that runs vertically through the middle of the frame. The numbered stickers will tell you where it attaches. Continue to build the frame like so. It's time now to attach the stretch fabric graphic. Find the zipper and unzip the graphic. Starting at the top, slide the pillowcase-style graphic over one side of the frame. Move the fabric a little ways down the frame, then start the other side. Pull the fabric down, working both sides of the frame, trying to keep the fabric even. Once at the bottom, start with one side and zip close to the middle. As shown here, you may need to use your hands to bunch the fabric together to make zipping easier. Now, zip the other side closed, meeting the zippers at the middle. You can now stand the frame upright. It's time to add the LED lights. Open the LED light case and remove the cover from the lights. Screw the lights into place at the top of the frame. And attach the power cord. Once the lights are attached, you can place the display on your table. The next step is to build the podium. The rolling case converts into the podium. Open the case. Remove all the podium pieces and take them out of their nylon and plastic bags. stand the rolling case up like so. Locate the podium top, made out of laminated wood, and attach it to the top of the case. You will need to push the latches on the podium top into the case to secure it. The plastic guard goes on next. This goes on to the bottom of the case. There's Velcro on the inside bottom of the case, as well as on the bottom of the plastic guard to hold it into place. Now you will insert the interior shelves made out of laminated wood. These will slide into place like so. And now for the fabric graphics. First, unfold it and slide it over the top of the case. Next, lay the case down on the floor as shown here. Pull the bottom of the fabric over the bottom of the case. Pull it tight so all the wrinkles come out. And there you have it. Your Tru-Fit 3.0 display is built.